Let's wrap this metallic gele in 5 minutes. Metallic gele in 5 minutes. Please watch. I have a metallic fabric here. Metallic fabric. So cover your hair. Then you take the downside. You tie it on. Tie it on. And that is all there is to it. So what you have to do next is lift it up and arrange. So let's lift it up now. Wow. You can leave it this way if you like. You can just lift it and leave it this way if you so please. If this is your desired style, you can leave it this way. Metallic fabric is very good to work with. So, but I'm not leaving it this way. Leave it this way and then you arrange. You can also arrange it this way if you like. Now start arranging to your desired taste and style. Okay, I've said this. If you want this, you can leave it this way, then you arrange it. If you don't want this style, you loosen it up again, then you can pleat it, you know, do some pleating. Let's just have some pleating. You can achieve so many desired styles with this. So these 3 and 4 pleats. Now arrange with the pleats. If you so desire you don't want pleats, you can also leave the pleats out. Just to show you that you can do so many things with the metallic fabric, you know. So we have this now. This is beautiful. All right, if you don't want the the pleats, you let it plain. Just leave it plain. Leave it plain and push up and arrange at the end. Leave it plain, push it up, arrange at the end. This is so easy, the easiest gele, metallic gele. So you can see I'm ready to rock my party. This is beautiful. So we're going to do more of this metallic gele, more of metallic styled gele. If you don't, we can also twist it, can bring it down. So I have it low, as you can see. We can get so many styles and designs from just one metallic wrap. Okay. These are Owambe styles, assorted Owambe style, from just one wrap. So join me next time for more metallic fabric tutorials.